What up, everybody? This is Bam Bam Searches It All, and today we got a 2-box $50 hunt. This is going to be Hunt and Fill number 5, boxes 6 and 7. I got my Kennedy $50 book from 1964 to present date. Out of that, we've got 89 out of 110 filled for the slots, and that covers us to 2022, as I have not seen any from 2023 yet. So let me pause this, get the box started. We'll pop the top, see what we got. Well, I just hulked the top. Look at the glue, that's so thick. Anyways, top's off. Oh yeah, we are circulated. I don't actually see more than a couple from 22, maybe what, 4 or 5, so that's good. All right, so we'll go ahead and pull these out. I don't see anything silvery just yet. A 1971, so we're close. That looks maybe a NIFC. Anyways, let me get this all situated, and yeah, I'm gonna start hunting this. Any finds, I'll bring you in. All right, everybody, welcome back. Roll 2 is gonna give us 3 finds, actually. 2 2018. I only keep the mintiest of minty because these do come up often in my area, so those are going back because they got some scratches. 2008 Denver NIFC, which 1987 P or D NIFC. NIFC coins 2002. It's actually deemed that 2021 started back to not being NIFCs. So keep a lookout for those from 2002 to 2020. Anyways, I also pulled this to the side because I'm doing weights on rolls just to see. 226.04 is the heaviest one we got, so when we get to roll number 8, we'll see if we have any silver. All right, everybody, welcome back. So roll 10, roll 8 was a dud, no silver. But if you look, there's all the 2018. So I'm not going to be pausing the video or bringing you in for those. I will bring you in for this 2012 Denver. That's another NIFC find. These I'm going to go ahead and make sure that they're not, MS70. These are potential book upgrades. Even though this one's ugly-ish, it might be an upgrade. But, things like this are potential for sure upgrades. I got my little list of the ones that I'm missing. Mostly Philly, of course. Handful of Denver. So anyways, back to the hunt. Let's see what the next rolls give us. All right, everybody, 10 more rolls down, no silver, some really decent book find ads. We started with these 2 NIFCs, and we've got 2003, 10, 11, 12, and a 15 Ring of Death. Luckily, I don't need the 15D Ring of Death. Going back. Let's see. This 97. It is off center struck, not by a mile, but a cool find nonetheless. And then, can someone explain this to me? Come on. Look how thick the outer 2 planchets are and thin the middle one is, and they all weigh the same. They all weigh the same. Well, not exact, but 11.16 for the thick boy. 11, actually more for the one that's on the diet. And then back to the thick one, 11. You know what I mean? I don't understand that. Maybe it's deeper I don't know. Anyways, those are going back. Let's see if we can strike some silver, y'all. Alright everybody, real quick, so roll 2 is going to be an interesting one. This is roll 3, 225.6, that's your average. That might have silver. Give me 1 second, I'm going to set up this tripod, we'll pop it up together. Alright, here we go. Look at these thick ones. I don't see... Man, there's a lot of thick ones. Alright, I guess I'll just weigh these individually. They should fall around 11.2 or so. So, let me see if I find anything. Alright everybody, another 10 rolls down, another 98.92% disappointment, but we did get 2 more NIFCs, so that's pretty cool. I'm glad to see that they're starting to stack up. Again, the 97 off center, and then we've been adding a little bit to the potential book finds. Anyways, I gotta get on the silver train. Let's get it. Alright everybody, another 10 rolls down and another 98.41% this time of disappointment, but we got a 2012 Philadelphia, not looking bad. And then I bring these in. Man. That looks so clean. I mean, yeah, the camera does pick up some scuffs on the 77, but if you saw it in front of you and you didn't have a 4K camera, I mean, these are looking good. So anyways, 10 more rolls. Can we get pay dirt, please? All right, everybody, real quick. We're like 96.1% unsatisfied, but 2010, 2004, a better looking 2004, and a couple of 2020s. Happen to be Philly also, Philly and a Denver, which I don't necessarily need, but let me pause this real quick. I will get the next box up and we will pop that top and look at all the silver enders coming in hot. Alright, here we go. Sorry, headphone users. Come on, circulated. Come on, silver. Alright. This one. Kind of potential looking silver ender. Alright, same mix. Only a handful of 2022s. Man, I thought that was an 87. Alright, well, let me get these all pulled out, and then, yeah, we'll start popping them 10 at a time unless I get a good find. Alright, 10 rolls in. 99.13% upset that we're not hitting any pay dirt. Only a couple more NIFCs, which is good because I do need them. Couple more, potential book upgrades to go along with the first ones. Let's get it. Come on, silver. All right, everybody. 10 more rolls down and a few more NIFCs. 03, 08, and another 2020. So that puts us at 5 for 20 rolls. Not too shabby. Anyways, I'm kind of eyeballing that one right there. I don't think it's silver, but we'll find out. All right, everybody, 10 more down, and we're hanging on by a thin thread. 2017 NIFC. I may just throw this in the book because it's, it's an NIFC, and it's got a little RC initials on there, so that's a cool little find. And then I don't know what to think about this, but there is missing hair. And it's a pretty decent condition 83 Philly, so I'm just going to keep that as a miscellaneous. Anyways, we might, I can't tell, but anyways, we'll get to it when we get to it. 10 more rolls unless I got something I can share with the class. 10 rolls remaining. He is nice. My apologies, JFK. This one, not so much. This one is, yeah. Matter of fact, back in the pile. Last 10. Can we please, pretty please finish strong? Well, womp, womp, womp. No silver, but we did get another 2020 and a 2010 NIFC, and we got this real beaut that I wanted to point out. It's got some scuffies on it, but that's all right. Anyways, I've got quite a bit to catalog real quick. Basically, I'm going to put them best of the best for the years that I pulled to the side. And I know for sure we've got some stuff that's coming off the list. So give me just a second. I'll bring you back in when it's time to go over the book finds. All right, everybody. Well, I compared all the finds and I've done the analysis of all the coins. I'm keeping this one because, again, this is missing hair. I think it's just a weird little Kennedy there. And then this one's off center struck, as you can see, probably 1.29%, which is great. And then we got the initials RC on a NIFC, so maybe I'll start collecting those. Real quick, bye-bye, Mr. Ring of Death. You're going back to the mint there. And finally, I just wanted to bring this up. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but I still think it's just wild enough that I may just keep it. Because we did upgrade 2004 Phillies. So, currently, out of the 110, we did get 5 ads. So, we're sitting at 94. I got a little list here. These are the totals for the NIFCs, which were 21 in all. 77 Philly, 85 Denver, 88 Denver, 88 Philly, and 2012 Philly were all ads, and then we had a bunch of little upgrades along the way. So, yeah, the book is getting upgraded. It's looking minty fresh. Sorry for the glare as I pan through these pages real quick. There's going to be a couple of little tough ones that we're going to, need to get lucky on to fill so that we can get this book complete. I also, on this last page, I thought I had extra slots, but I'm thinking of the quarter book. So this 2020 Philly, which is in excellent condition, I just went ahead and put it, oh, so bright. I went ahead and put a good example of an unstickered one in the bottom right. Anywho, without further ado, I want to thank you for all the likes and subscriptions and all the wonderful comments. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next because, unfortunately, I'm kind of getting the excuse that there's a coin shortage here, a coin shortage there. Well, there's not a bill shortage, so maybe I'll just go get a bunch of 20s or 1s or 5s or something like that, and we'll just hunt those. But thank you all again, and yeah, that's a good little hunt there, and I'll see you in the next one.